Hello everybody and welcome to another VideoMediaTV video where we show you how to be successful on social media. Today's topic is how to make money on YouTube without making videos. So before we get straight to it, remember to subscribe, also hit the bell icon to never miss a video. Also leave a comment and you will get a chance for being shout-outed in the next video. So let's get into the video. So basically YouTube pays you by getting views, and also you can make money in other ways, but primarily in this video we will be talking about YouTube ad revenue. Ad revenue is basically around $1 up to $20 if you're lucky, but if you are struggling for views, you can go on the video in the description, or there should be a card showing you my YouTube algorithm video where I show you tips on how to gain more views. You can also earn money from affiliate links, selling your own products, for example merch and sponsors, but we will get to that later on in the video. And the best thing is you don't need to upload many videos on your YouTube channel, but of course you do need to put at least 2 videos and share them everywhere on social media, so you will have a viral video, and with that the views just keep coming all day long. So when you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you'll be eligible to be monetized on YouTube. So by being monetized, you will be able to include skippable ads, display ads, non-skippable ads, and etc. If you'd like to calculate how much money a video has made, you can go in the link in the description to see an estimate of a YouTube channel or a video, or you can calculate it by doing this formula that I'm showing you on the screen, which is basically the amount of views, divide that by 1,000, and just multiply that by 1, and you should have an estimate on how much money the person has made in ad revenue. Let's say if your video went viral and is consistently getting 10,000 views a day, you only get $10 a day with just one video, which isn't a lot, and it's hard to gain 10,000 views a day, which is also the bad part. But there are other methods that you don't even require 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched. So as I was saying, affiliate links is one of them. If you scroll down in the description, some of the links I have, they are affiliated. For example, my TubeBuddy link is affiliated by clicking the link and downloading TubeBuddy for Chrome. You'll be giving me some extra time for the Pro and Legend packs. So basically I'm getting those for free the more of you guys clicking on them. If you don't really understand, basically imagine you have a small business and want to spread the word out, so you make an affiliate page on your website, and the content creators sign up to this, and by then giving people a link to their viewers on YouTube, and they will get a small percentage of what the person bought via the affiliate link of the content creator, such as a YouTuber, a blogger, an Instagram page, etc. You can also use link shorteners that pay you for every click. For example, the one I use is AdFly, but there are hundreds around the web, and with them you will get a very small cut, but it's of course better than nothing. Okay, so our different way is by selling merch or products. So don't worry, you don't really need to get stock or print your own logo on apparel like shirts, mugs, and pillows. You can use other websites like Redbubble and the new merch store that opened for Streamlabs.com. It will help you do everything. All you need is a logo or a non-copyrighted image, and just place it in the product of your desire. There's a bunch of products all over the place. For example, shirts. There are also some websites that do bags, mouse pads. Basically, imagine everything. Shirts, mugs, even PlayStation controllers, but they do cost a lot, so I don't really recommend you selling this stuff. Just sell stuff like, for example, a mug, and just put a brand or your logo or something. That is, what do you mean? Like that is, I forgot the word, but it's something that has something to do with your YouTube channel name or your YouTube channel in general. So another way is by also being sponsored by different brands, although this is for content creators who have very big subscribers or following. Around 50 to 100,000 subscribers or followers, and an average of 75,000 views a month. But if you do have those requirements, you can contact small brands, for example, Content Freak or Loot Crate. Those are actually great for like small YouTubers, but you do again need a good following. For like, I'm pretty sure Control Freak, you can get sponsored if you have 10,000 subscribers. Don't know if the views or whatever. Loot Crate, I'll leave like the Razer sponsored the contact information. Excuse me, guys. The Control Freak and the Loot Crate and a lot of others in the description below. And yeah, that's basically really it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to slap that like button and share it with others. As with all of my tutorials, this will take time to get your video viral and so on. So just try to perform the tips that I show you on my view video, my YouTube algorithm views video regularly, and you will start to see growth, views, so on. So subscribe, push the bell icon to never miss a video. Also leave a comment. As I said in the beginning, you will get a shout out in the first part of my video, and we'll try to reach 5 likes for this video. And that's it for me, VideoMediaTV signing out.